Hello friend and welcome back to the lesson. In our previous video, we've successfully shown our admin's data onto our admin's profile view, and also we go ahead and add our admin's preview image. And in this video, we're going to be using JavaScript to make this our admin's preview image to preview our currently selected image in real time. So that's basically mean whenever the admin select an image here, that image will automatically be previewed down below here. So that's the kind of functionality we wanted to achieve in this video. So first of all, let's head over to Google and find jQuery CDN like so. And then let's come over here to W3 School. And let's find the script, the CDN script right here. So let's copy it. Let's head back to our project source code. And I wanted to place this our CDN inside our main admin dashboard because I want it to be available for almost all our pages. Now let's go ahead and place it right below here. And now let's go ahead and save all. Let's get back to our admin's profile page. Let's test our CDN. Say script like so. Document dot ready function like so. Let's go ahead and say alert working. Now let's go ahead and save this and let's give it a try. Let's refresh our page. And yes, our jQuery CDN is successfully working. So now we can simply go ahead and start implementing our dynamic preview right here. So let's go back to our project source code. Now, first of all, let's go ahead and find our photo input field, which is right here. This is our photo input field. We're going to go ahead and add an ID attribute like so. And I'm going to go ahead and call it image. And then for our preview image down here, which is this our preview image, I'm gonna go ahead and add an ID attribute like so, and I will give it the name show image like so. So let's go ahead and do that. Let me come down below here and then get our image input field, which is right here. We'll give it an ID of image. So let's go ahead and say $sign image like this dot on change. Basically what we are seeing is when the photo input field is being changed. So let's go ahead and provide the callback function like so. And then now I'm going to go ahead and create a reader variable. Reader is the new file reader function. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and add in the event parameter e. So, and then after that, I'm going to go ahead and call my reader like so dot onload, which is equals to function, passing the event as argument. And then now let's go ahead and get our show image, which is our preview image right here. So let's go ahead and copy this. And then let's go ahead and pass it as an ID as well, because it's an ID dot attribute src. And then we're going to go ahead and get the event target result. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's say e dot target dot result. And let's go ahead and end the statement like so. And then now after our reader onload, let's go ahead and call reader dot read as data URL. And then now let's go ahead and call the event target files. And then now let's go ahead and end our statement right here. And that's basically it. Let's go ahead and save. And now let's go ahead and give it a try. Refresh our page. Now let's go ahead and select an image. Let me go ahead and choose this one. Oh, it's not working. Let me go ahead and refresh this. Let's select the image one more time. Let's select this. No, it's not working. Let me go ahead and take a look. Where did I make mistake? What am I missing? On change function event, reader file, show image target. Oh, I think this should be the mistake. Target is not E, it's A. So now let's go ahead and save this. Let me go ahead and check the other. Okay, target here is fine. Files. Okay, I think now it should work. So let's go ahead and refresh our page. And now let's go ahead and give it a try one more time. Let me go ahead and select this image. Yes, as you can see now, our image is changing in real time. So friend, this is basically how we actually use some of the JavaScript code to actually preview our form selected images in real time. This is actually a very cool feature to implement. Let me go ahead and change another image. Let's say for instance, yes, as you can see, it's working perfectly. Alright, so friend, this will actually be it for this video, and in our next video we're going to be sending this our admin's information into our database, meaning we're going to be updating our admin's data inside this our database. We're going to be updating this information right from this form over here. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.